What happens when a gold medalist's victory is overshadowed by a maelstrom of controversy? Imane Khelif, Algeria's boxing sensation, has found herself at the heart of a fierce debate that stretches far beyond the confines of Paris Olympics. Fresh from clinching gold in the women's welterweight division, Khelif's moment of triumph was marred by a barrage of online attacks questioning her gender identity. The controversy ignited after an incident in her initial match against Italian opponent Angela Carini, who withdrew moments into the bout, citing injury. This seemingly minor event sparked a storm of baseless claims and accusations against Khelif, with some alleging she was transgender or even a man. In response to the deluge of misinformation and online harassment, Khelif's legal team has filed a formal complaint in France against the social media platform X, accusing it of failing to prevent and address the harassment. The complaint, lodged with the Paris Correctional Court, seeks justice for the aggravated online harassment Khelif has endured. Her lawyer, Nabil Bodi, described the situation as a fight for justice, dignity, and honor, reflecting the gravity of the impact these attacks have had on the athlete's personal and professional life. The accusations against Khelif are part of a broader pattern of scrutiny and discrimination faced by female athletes of color. The controversy is not just about one athlete, but highlights a disturbing trend where women in sports, particularly those from marginalized backgrounds, face intensified and often unjustified criticism. The International Olympic Committee has denounced the false claims and defended Khelif, labeling the online attacks as harmful and misplaced. The International Boxing Association had already stoked the flames of controversy by disqualifying Khelif and fellow athlete Lee Yun-ting from the World Championships last year. The IBA's decision was based on dubious eligibility tests, which the IOC has since criticized as flawed and arbitrary. Despite the IBA's actions, the IOC has supported Khelif and Lee throughout the Paris Games, emphasizing the need for fairness and accuracy in gender verification processes. Khelif's story underscores the broader issue of how gender identity is policed in sports and the often disproportionate scrutiny faced by athletes who challenge traditional norms. The online attacks against her reflect deep-seated biases and a broader societal debate about gender and sports. As Khelif continues her legal fight, the case could set a significant precedent for how online harassment is addressed and how athletes are protected from unjust attacks. The case of Imane Khelif brings to light critical questions about the intersection of gender, sports, and social media. How can we combat the spread of harmful misinformation? What protections are needed for athletes who are subjected to online abuses? Khelif's fight for justice is not just about her own dignity, but also about advocating for a more respectful and equitable environment in sports. As this legal battle unfolds, the world watches with bated breath. Khelif's resilience and determination in the face of such adversity could inspire a shift towards greater respect and integrity in the competitive arena. Her story is a powerful reminder of the human cost behind the headlines and the ongoing struggle for fairness and equality in sports.